Hi, John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Ivan. Ivan's been trading with us from 7th of May up until 11th of June 2021. Ivan's had a daily gain of 0.22%, a monthly gain of 7.22%, and a drawdown of 5.21%, and gone on to achieve 10%. So congratulations, Ivan, on a great achievement. Let's have a look at how many trades Ivan's taken. Ivan's traded 241 times out of the period of time being with us, and looking at the success rate, Ivan's won 95 out of 241 trades, which represents 39%, and Ivan's lost 146 out of 241, which represents 61%. So Ivan is a unique trader. Ivan has lost more trades than he's won, but still come on to get 10%. That's an achievement on its own. And Ivan's only been trading with us for 8 weeks. So from the 7th of May up to the 11th of June. So how can you lose a fraction 61% of your trades and still make 10%? It's a simple concept of down to very good money management. So we're going to see how Ivan achieved this. So as I always say in trading, you can be right or wrong and still end up with profit. Looking at the history of the 244 trades, you can see Ivan's taken 16 pips, 20 pips, various pips along the way. But overall, Ivan's been successful. Even on the 4th of June, Ivan's been successful, taking 58 pips, 57 pips, 20 pips back to back on the Australian dollar, US dollar, taking a staggering 58 pips. So this is very good work, and Ivan is definitely onto that something to help him get their way to the 10%. So let's look at the monthly analytics now. We can see it's reflected in the P&L, 3.19% in May, 5.28% in June. This is a very good achievement, so well done. Let's look at the summary of the key trades taken to achieve this. And as we can see, not a lot of trades were taken. The Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, Euro, US dollar, Pound, Australian dollar, Pound, US dollar, and New Zealand dollar, US dollar. And what we can find, the common theme is Ivan has made $136.21 and a total of 504.3 pips on the Australian dollar, US dollar, and he made $275 on the Pound, US dollar, and he diversified his risk on the other pairs, and this helped him get to 10%. So it's a great achievement, especially coming from a drawdown. So, coming from a drawdown of 5.5% and also losing majority of a trade, 60%, and still come back at 10%, it's a great feat. So all I recommend, as I always tell other traders, Ivan, is use a stop loss to control your losses. And a big challenge for you is now to reduce the excessive losses and now have a break even of probably 50 to 50 or 50% rate of successful trades, opposed to having 63% or 68%, more than half in losses. And this will help enhance your confidence and make you a great trader in the process. Your psychological mindset is important, and more importantly as well, you have to enjoy what you do. And when you enjoy what you do, I guarantee you're going to be successful 110% all the time, all day long. So congratulations on your achievement, and I wish you all the best.